Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the ESPN Fantasy Sports game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ESPN Fantasy Sports game or application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage where you will see the sign up as well as login button. If you don't already have an account, you can tap on sign up to proceed forward with creating a new one. And if you already have one, tap on the login button. This will then take you into the login page where you will be asked to enter your email address to log in. So just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account and tap on the continue button. And you will now be asked to enter your account password. Just type in your password within the given password box and then click on the login button. And now you will be logged in to your ESPN Fantasy Sports account right away. And you will immediately be able to start joining or creating your leagues. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.